Welcome to our video on showing you guys the intuitive meaning of the 40th percentile as it relates to the bell-shaped curve. We calculate, given a data set like you see here in yellow, we can calculate the 40th percentile using the percentile command in a spreadsheet by seeing it on the left. So if I have a data set and I want to calculate the 40th percentile as shown before, I'll just type equal to percentile, select my table, which is K2 through N4, comma, and type 0.4, the decimal version of 40th percentile, which is 0.4, and that will give me a value of 6.8. But a lot of us are not comfortable kind of thinking about what is P40 equals 6.8. What does that mean in terms of a sort of a pictorial representation of it? And for me to show you that intuitively, I'm going to use the most common probability curve that we're going to work with in this course, the normal distribution, the bell-shaped curve. And I'll show you what P40th equals 6.8 means in terms of where am I going to label the 6.8, where am I going to label the 40%, and so on. So in order to show you that, let me draw a normal distribution curve here. So I'm going to do that freehand. So let me select that. So here's my z-axis for my normal distribution. And here's my probability axis. So I'm going to draw the probability axis. This is my probability axis. And if I draw the normal distribution, it's going to look something like that. Now, if I want to show you what 40th percentile is, which is 6.8, now this point here, that's the 50th percentile, which means through that point you separate the bottom 50% from the top 50%. Now if I want to show you what the 40th percentile being 6.8 means, I'll just draw the 40th percentile line here, which is right there, so that's P40. Obviously, if this is P50, P40 will be slightly less. P60, 70, 80, 90 will be slightly more. So P40th means that point right there. So that point there is the P40th. Now, you could either call it the P40th, or if I erase it, you could actually call it 6.8 because that's what that is. The P40th is 6.8. So that point is 6.8.